Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to another episode of What I Eat in a Day. Now, if you're not familiar with these videos, I had gastric sleeve about 4 years ago now. I want to say it was my 4-year surgery or my 5-year. I'll leave it down below along with everything else. These videos are very casual, vlog style. I'm going to be showing you guys what I eat in a day, how I make the stuff kind of. That's the way I like to do my What I Eat in a Days. And yeah, you guys always ask for these and I actually really like doing them because it holds me accountable. Before this video gets started, I am not a dietitian, I am not a nutrition. I don't know what health effects this diet has on you. I don't do a diet. I live my life according to the way I want to look. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I hope you guys like this video. And of course, I'm not saying you have to follow my meal plan or anything like that. It's just a good way to get ideas. Okay, my doggy's stealing a paper towel. I have to go. Let's meet for breakfast in the kitchen. So here is my morning coffee. Sometimes I get Starbucks. Sometimes I just have a decaf coffee at home. But when I do get Starbucks, this is the order I get. Is it gonna focus? It's a grande iced Americano decaf with 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla and extra whole milk, or I do heavy cream depending if I get it or Zach gets it. So Zach got whole milk. I mean milk, or you could substitute with anything else. I just drink decaf now, so that's what I'm starting my day off with. And let's get this day going. All right guys, I'm so sorry for my appearance. I look very rough, which is probably going to be the theme of this video because I don't do much in a day. But so today I'm going to be making a smoothie for breakfast / lunch. I like to not eat anything until probably like 12 to 1 o'clock. I don't know if that's considered fasting. It's just what I like to do because I don't feel hungry until that time. So right now it's about almost 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna do my smoothie that I always do and I love so much. And I think that this is a great option for people that aren't home all the time. Like, I work from home, so I'm pretty much able to cook whatever I want. But if you're going somewhere like I am right now, then this is an amazing recipe to take with you and it keeps you full for a super duper long time. So here is my morning smoothie ingredients. So the first thing that we have right over here is some peanut butter. Now this is just like regular peanut butter, nothing is added to it, it's just peanuts and that's all. I have my Vital Proteins collagen peptides. It's in the flavor unflavored and I love this stuff so much. And then I just took out these bananas to show you. I always freeze my bananas into my smoothie, so I wait for them to get about that ripe before I do. And then I just do a frozen triple berry blend. You can freeze your own fruit. I'm sorry about my dog, you guys. You could freeze your own fruit or just buy it as is. And then in my little cup for my Ninja, I have some water and some crushed ice. I don't use almond milk or anything just because I feel like water does the job. So here is my smoothie. I'm gonna put it together for you guys right now. And yeah, so I'm gonna add about half of a frozen banana. My bananas are not that frozen yet, but that's okay. It's not that big of a deal. And then I'm gonna add just a little bit of this frozen berry mix. Well, that was kind of a lot. I apologize about that. And then I do 2 scoops of protein just because that's the serving size. So you can definitely play it how you like it. So 2 scoops of my Vital Proteins. And this is great because it also gives collagen, which is great for people who have had weight loss surgery, you know, hair growth, nail growth. You know, we all struggle with that. And then lastly, I'm gonna do a hefty teaspoon. This is not really like a regular teaspoon of some peanut butter. I feel like it adds so much. And sometimes I'll add oats, but not today because I'm trying to keep my calories a little bit low. But I'm just gonna blend this up and here's what it looks like. I'm gonna blend it up and show you guys the final product. So here is my smoothie completed and I just like to put it into like any reusable cup, and I like my smoothies a little thick. Look at that, it's like not even, woof, okay. And look at that, perfect sizing. And I will leave the macros right over here. I don't usually count my macros that often, but I will leave them here for you guys to see. So here is my smoothie of the morning, and yeah, let's get this day started. What's up, guys? So I'm currently on the road. We're getting back home. We're stuck in really bad traffic. I'm still working on my smoothie, and when I told you guys it was like 1 o'clock, it wasn't. It was actually like 11. So I've been working on the smoothie for probably about like 2 hours now. I drink my smoothies kind of slow. It's the one thing that I allow myself some time to drink because I want to actually get the whole smoothie down. So that's what I've been doing, and it keeps you really full because of the protein. But when I get home, I'm definitely gonna have some lunch because I feel like I'm getting like, I don't know, I want something to eat, you know? Like sometimes just a smoothie doesn't cut it. So when I get home, we will cook up some lunch. So I'm finally back home after a very long drive. We decided to drive to UCLA to drop off something for Zach that on the day of graduation. So that was not a good idea. So I'm super duper hungry right now. I'm gonna show you guys this super easy and quick meal that I love to whip up for lunch and even dinner. Here is my lunch. It's gonna be basically a sausage and pepper situation, and you could definitely change the sausage to whatever you would like. I'm trying this one today. It's the spicy Italian chicken sausage, and this one is from Trader Joe's. And I like to do chicken sausage because I feel like it has less calories. Like whenever you look at the macros and the fat and all that stuff, see, one link is 140 calories with 17 grams of protein, which is incredible. And then I have some of these mini sweet peppers. I like these because I feel like they don't go bad like bell peppers do. I'm gonna use probably like not even half of this onion. And then for oil, you can use anything. I'm just using this spray olive oil. I'm not one to really care about how much oil I use because I usually barely use any. So there is my lunch. So I just have my sausage. I'm wearing gloves because I don't want to get my hands smelling oniony. And my onion and 2 peppers. And all I'm going to do is chop this all up like so. And I like to do like diagonal cuts on my sausage, so you can do whatever you like. And yeah, I'm gonna fry it up in a frying pan, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So here is my frying pan. I just have it on medium high heat, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add all of my ingredients in, let that fry up, and it's gonna taste delicious, and it's so good for you. So I'll show you guys when it's all done and cooked up. All right, guys, here is my finished lunch. It looks amazing. It took literally, like, I'm not joking, 10 minutes to prepare. I have a cilantro leaf on top, and it has amazing veggies, protein, and all the good stuff you need. You can add any type of seasoning that you would like or whatever. I feel like the sausage adds enough flavor. But yeah, I'll show you guys how much of this I eat, and I'll also write down the macros for you guys so you know exactly how much protein, calories, and all that good stuff is in here. All right, guys, so here is my finished plate. I'm all done with lunch. As you can see, tried to eat more of the protein than of the vegetables, kind of going back to our, actually, let me flip you over. Give me 1 second. As I was saying, kind of going back to like old VSG rules of like eating the protein on your plate first and then eating the vegetables. I try to kind of stick to that, but I also try to get vegetables in too. So I kind of like go into my protein first, then start incorporating vegetables, and then if I have some room left, I'll eat more vegetables as I go. But that's why I love starting my day off with a smoothie, because I feel like I get a lot of nutrients early in the morning, and it's okay if I don't eat that many vegetables throughout the day, if that makes any sense. What's up, guys? It's almost 7 o'clock. It's so late, you guys. I haven't really eaten much today, but I have drank a lot of water. So I just want to let you know that I am, what is this? What's going on? I am drinking water. Zach's just getting a light set up because I'm about to make dinner and I want to show you guys how I make my dinner. Now, today's theme, I feel like, has kind of been easy, very friendly for people that don't have time. So I thought for dinner I was gonna have this anyway, but it's like perfect. I'm gonna have this pre-marinated chicken thigh from Trader Joe's, and it's shawarma flavored. And I will leave a recipe down below to how you can season any meat into shawarma. It's like Mediterranean spices. I'll leave it down below and it's super easy. So let's get dinner started. Okay, so here are all of our vegetables. I'm doing zucchini, peppers, and ignore the potatoes. Now, the potatoes are for the other people in my family who aren't on a diet and want to eat potatoes. I'm not going to eat the potatoes, but I am going to put it with my meal, and a red onion. Now all I'm gonna do is cut these veggies up, and I will see you guys back here soon. And I already preheated my oven to 400 degrees. Okay, so here are all of our vegetables chopped up. Like I said, you don't have to have potatoes. If you want to do sweet potatoes, you can. I choose not to eat that. And I just did like kind of a rough chop, but made sure they're kind of the same size so everything cooks evenly. Here is the seasoning I used on the vegetables. And now my chicken is ready to go into the oven. This is about 20 minutes. I'm gonna give it another 20 minutes probably, and we'll be done with dinner. So we had guests over and I couldn't speak, but here is my dinner. I actually ended up finishing the whole thing, and it was just a little bit of chicken thigh. I'll leave the macros on the screen for you guys to see, and I love this. It's so easy. If you have a Trader Joe's, you definitely have to try this chicken thigh out. So it's a little bit after dinner now, and I'm feeling a little bit hungry, and that's what usually happens when you eat smaller portions. You get hungrier quicker, which is honestly, it's a little bit annoying because you're constantly hungry, but that, in my opinion, is what makes you lose the most weight. And right now, I'm about to eat some of this green beans that my mom made, and I'll actually show you guys right now. These are just some green beans with tomato, squash, garlic, olive oil, and it's amazing. It's I believe it's vegan. Yeah, it's actually a vegan meal, and we really like this, and we eat this a lot here, and it's a perfect like snack, or you could even make it into a meal, put some brown rice, and it would be amazing. So I'm gonna have some of that. Hey guys, so it is the end of the night. It's around 11 o'clock right now, and I am ready to go to bed. And the last thing that I want to show you guys that I'm having is half of a Cliff Bar. This is a crunchy peanut butter one, and I don't love eating these all the time because I feel like there's a lot of calories in them, but when I want something sweet, it's definitely better to go for this rather than like a slice of cake or something. So that's what I'm gonna eat and end my night. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I am about to go to sleep. I am so tired. I hope you guys enjoyed my today's what I eat in a day. If you did, please like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below telling me any of your meal ideas. Everything will be listed down below, any information, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.